Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. And today I'll be teaching you how to turn on the sound on your Galaxy A26, all versions. If your Galaxy has no sound, absolutely no sound at all, first we're going to press the volume up button, turn the volume all the way up, click on the three dots and make sure everything is set to maximum. The phone's volume. Swipe down twice from the top right of the screen and make sure this option looks like this. This icon should look like this. It can't look like this, and it can't look like this either. It has to look like this. Okay, so now we're going to go into the settings icon, scroll down to sound and vibration, and now this option should be here. Go into ringtone, the phone's call sound, and here the volume should be at maximum. And make sure the sound you've selected isn't this one. You should select a ringtone that actually plays sound. If your ringtone has sound, leave it selected and go back. Check the same thing for the notification sound here, then go back. Go into system sound here. It should be at maximum volume. All these options should be enabled. And then we'll go back, let me see. We'll go back and scroll down to the apps or applications option. Open the app that might not be making any sound on your phone. We're going to tap on notifications here. Here, it should be enabled. This option should be selected along with all three options checked. Okay, if your alarm isn't going off, you need to open the clock alarm icon. Tap on the alarm, and for it to ring, you need to have the days of the week you want the alarm to go off selected here. This sound option should be selected and enabled, and you should have this volume set here. At the very least, you should choose a ringtone that has sound for your phone. Pick a ringtone, go back, and now click here to save. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I did, please, I ask you to subscribe to the channel. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers here on the channel so I can monetize it and help out at home. Please, if I helped you, help me out too by subscribing to the channel so I can reach that goal of 1,000 subscribers and monetize the channel. Alright, so a big hug to everyone, bye bye, and see you in the next video.